Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the social share settings on a page that you have created on Kartra. So this means that when you go onto Kartra and you're sharing your page on Facebook or social media, it will come up, but it's not putting information through. So you might see that some people will share theirs and it will have a nice little picture, but yours isn't putting information through. This is how you change that. So you want to go onto Kartra, and you want to go onto your pages, and of course it depends on the page that you want to change. So I'm just going to show you my breadcrumbing workshop as an example. So edit the page, and then when you get into the page, on the left hand side you want to go to settings, which is page settings, and then you want to go to what's called SEO parameters, and then down here you can change everything as how it shows up. So you'll see that it will say breadcrumbing workshop, my meta description, and then it will say page OG dots image. So if you edit that, you can select different images to pull through. So I've actually selected an image. So if I hit on confirm, hit on apply, you won't see anything change on your page at all. But if I go to Facebook and I go to my profile, you'll see that I shared one quite recently. There we go. So you can see that as it's pulled through, it's not just come up with a link, it's come up with the picture, okay, mainly my boobs, but it's come up with a picture, breadcrumbing workshop with Shelley Shulman. So you can see that it's pulled through that information, so you don't just get a random link and text. So that's how you have control over that. So you literally just go into the page, go into page settings, SEO parameters, and then that is how you change everything. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, as always, please do leave them in the comments, and please do like and subscribe.